stunts I've ever seen. We've got a guy who's gonna jump out of an airplane without a parachute, fall through a 3x5 opening in the top of a roof, and land onto a trampoline. It's crazy, but we're gonna do it. There's two things that make this stunt possible. One is the special reinforced trampolines that will absorb the final impact from Travis's jump. The second is the geomagnetic positioning system that Travis is gonna wear on his belt.
This device is revolutionary. It uses the magnetism of the Earth.
So the natural magnet of the Earth and the magnet that we're attaching to Travis have a natural reaction to each other. We in turn have an anti-dipole-dipole reaction, which as Travis descends towards the Earth, we'll be able to steer Travis through the skylight exactly down onto the trampoline.
I'll say eye on the target, eye on the target, eye on the target, eye on the target, eye on the target. This is by far the most dangerous stunt that I've ever been a part of. Our margin for error is, well, we don't have a margin for error. If Travis makes a mistake on this, it's catastrophic.
Clear for departure, wind out of the southeast, 22 miles an hour.
I'm gonna jump out of an airplane with no parachute!
Go to cam 1.
And they're out. They're out. Coming through 9,000 feet. 9,000 feet.
Deploy parachute.
Sarah's deployed. Sarah's deployed.
Sarah's open. Starting to engage.
GMPS is engaged. Come on, Travis. Little right, little right. Can I get a wind check, please? Wind check.
A couple degrees off, the wind is too strong.
A little right, little right, little right. There we go. There we go. It's 4,000 feet.
I see it, I see the target, I'm right above it.
1,000 feet.
I got it, I got it, I got it.
500. 300.